My name's Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip is brought to you by Megan Flood from the Aqua Mentoring group that I run. Great group. It's not always open for new members, but if you're interested, click on the link below and you can, have a look what's in there, and obviously send me a message if you want to have a bit more of an idea. But it is an amazing group of people, and I run seminars every week, and it's really inexpensive. But this was the cool move that she came up with. It is a one-sided movement pattern, and then you would repeat it on the opposite side. This is the movement pattern. So it's a crossover tap to the side, and we're going to do 2 of those, and then you're going to do I call them ski jumps, but some people call them moguls, whatever you call them. And then you repeat again on the right side. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the arms are the same. Doesn't matter what you're doing with your legs, the arms continue turning with the palms facing the same way, fingers wide open. The leg goes over, out, then you lift the knees up and you jump side to side, and then you go over again. It doesn't switch sides because it feels really weird after you've gone ski jump 4 times. You're sort of here, and your left leg actually needs to start up to cross over. It doesn't work on both sides. You can't alternate with this, but you could certainly do something in between that brings them back to the center, and then do it on the opposite side. Over, out, across. Now, great inner thigh workout. Heart rate's coming up. And I'm really moving. And once you get that leg lifting and crossing over, there's a bit of abdominal work as well. I really like this. Great little combination. If you like using verse chorus, this could work very, very well when you say have 2 verses, for example, or 4 verses. You can do one side, then you do the other side, etc. Love it. Got my heart rate up. Nice one, Megan. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. Great exercise, Megan. I really like the way this move flows. So how do you teach it? Well, I would recommend that you teach the individual moves and then put them together. And I do recommend that you do everything right-sided, then do something else, and then teach everything left-sided. Because the flow is in putting the right leg cross kick with the ski jumps. So let's begin with the crossover side kick. You can demonstrate this without any tool whatsoever. You can also use the Aqua frame, obviously cross and kick, and I would use it this way. Or if you don't have the world's best balance, you can sit down and cross and kick. But the key thing here is to teach them where the heel goes. Now, I notice that sometimes my clients kick with their toe and then they go out. Now, there's nothing different between doing this and that to doing this and that. It's a front and back kick. So what makes the crossover kick a great exercise is because you get that external rotation and internal rotation. So the body faces forward. And if you refer to the heel, you'll get them in the right alignment. So take the heel across the body and kick the heel out to the side. So I usually go heel, I'll tap the heel of the foot, cross over and kick out to the side. Then they go ahead and add the arm action. And then what I then teach them is to make sure they're lifting the knee up. So they're lifting the knee up and then kicking out to the side. So you've taught that move, then you teach them the ski jump, right? From side to side, easy on the frame, pretty easy on the chair as well. And I would definitely use either one of those tools. It's really hard on your body. Don't be doing this on pool deck because you can't really show the side to side movements. Use your arms in the opposite direction and really emphasize the pulling up. So notice how I tap my thighs, pull up the knees. Then you would put it together, right? So you're using the frame or the chair now. Here we go. We're going to go 1 and 2, and then we're going to jump, 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 and 1 and 2. Now this works really well in the water because your body wants to jump back to the left, and that's why the right leg will go across really easily. The same thing here. We're going to cross, kick, jump left, right, left, right. The arms keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. With the hands, identify, I usually point to the hand and open the fingers. And I say bend your fingers slightly and drag the water with the full length of the arm. So I'll provide a bit more of that coaching once we've started to put the combination together and they know what they're doing. But I talk about using the full length of the arm because otherwise you're going to get this and they'll miss out on the effectiveness of this workout. It's such a cool move. I really enjoy putting it into my class. You would need to do something in the middle so that you could then swap over to the other side. I'm sure you guys can come up with something creative. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you know when the next Aqua Tip is coming out. And that is this week's Aqua Tip.